Hey everyone, it's Terri from Create Scrapbooks, and today I have the Project Life themed card sets from Becky Higgins, and I picked up the Man's World set, and I'd like to show you what's inside here, so if you're interested you can purchase it yourself. They are available at Hobby Lobby. That's where I bought mine, and I bought it with a coupon, so I got it 40% off. They were $4.19 with the coupon. Regularly it's $6.99, and let me show you what's inside. There are 4x6 and 3x4 cards. So on the back of this insert, it has the kit contents, which shows 6 4x6 cards that are title cards, 6 4x6 cards that are journaling cards for horizontal or vertical, and 48 3x4 journaling cards. They're 24 different designs printed twice. And then all cards are double-sided. So here are the 3x4s. I'll just go through each one. This one says the details. Man of the Hour, a great play button, Report the Weekend Edition, some green and chevron, number with journaling lines and a hexagon on the back, great tie, current events, oops, it says his on the back of those, graph and stripe, great pennant with a graph, hello mister, Report the Weekday Edition, the back of this is triangles, he said, his point of view, label, and some blue and some black, so a really dark navy, stripes and a chevron, a green stripe and some triangles, chevron with graph, stripes, stripes and stripes, hashtag love him, a really light gray, stripe and graph, hello, playlist, man versus blank, that's cute, and another play. I really like the graphic style on these, plus they're a little playful. And then here are the 4x6. Today was epic. Label, and I think with the template that I have at Create Scrapbooks, you could definitely print the date on these, just like the Seafoam edition, and it would work. And that's a free download at createscrapbooks.com. Press play, chevron, stripe and graph, the details, today with a pennant, current events, a weekend adventure, some stripes, more stripes, stripes, and right here with arrows and green on the back. I really like the combination of colors. From this packaging, I wasn't really sure if it was black or navy, but now that I see some of it, it's both black and navy, plus the green. There's really a lot of neutrals, so you could use this with almost any other kit as a filler if you'd like, and I'm really excited to use it. I am looking for the Teen Edition Boy next, so if I get that pretty soon, I will show you guys what that looks like as well, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching and subscribing.